I'm Tom Brown, owner of Brownco Manufacturing and Sales in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're building a new warehouse showroom location. It's an 8.8 acre project. We're starting with a 24,000 square foot warehouse and 6,000 square foot showroom. We started out in a little garage as Cherokee Supply, and we ended up selling to a larger Fortune 500 company and did our due diligence there in the contractor supply business, and then I opened back up by myself as Brownco Manufacturing and Sales here in Tulsa, and so we're an independent contractor supply business. The support that we get from Allen Engineering is second to none. I mean, from the phone calls that you make into the customer service to the parts people, the field service, like coming out here and demonstrating the polishing system, the new innovative products. We've teamed up with Allen Engineering on cure spraying situations for paving contractors. Scott Ward's been great as far as we've developed a couple new paving situations here in Oklahoma with the triple tube pavers, and Allen is just if you don't have them on your team, you need them on your team.